Welcome back, everyone. My name's Anthony. This is my shop. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I have to agree with the manufacturers. The right to repair. You should not have the right to repair. As much hokey, rigged up, done wrong, unsafe shit that I see in my shop every day, yeah, you should not be in a parts store or have access to a keyboard to order parts or even try and put them on. You have no business trying to do this to your car. Packing holes in a muffler with muffler mud like that's going to work when there's 4 broken exhaust studs, and not even all of it.
Oh my God.
So when I said that I have to agree with the manufacturers, the people who have cars that should not have cars because you can't afford it. Hold on, I'm picking on anyone out here, but yeah, the BMW.
At least these manifolds are easy to do.
He's not fixing that BMW, just so you know.
Shocker.
Yeah, shocker. How about that? Some people should not have a vehicle. You should have an e-scooter or a bicycle.
I saw your repost on Facebook last night.
You like that one?
They're mandating certain shit.
Yeah. This is how many retards are out there driving around on e-scooters that are just causing accidents because they have no clue how to operate anything, and they're just, well, I have money, I can buy one, and I'm just going to drive it right into this car into
their
traffic.
Parents get them that so they don't have to ride.
It's
a bike
all the
somewhere.
stupidity in the world, and this ranks right up there with that. So this guy bought this off a guy for $1,600. He got this off a guy that sold it to him for $1,600. The floor pan they ordered was wrong, but I made it work. The driver's side manifold has a broken stud on the other side, and the converter's rotted out. He only wants me to fix this on the exhaust, and it's still going to leak from the other
Let's
side
see
where he's
how much
sitting.
Stuff is still going to be fucked up. I mean,
But this is why I say yeah. And I show it every day on my videos. You have no right in AutoZone, no right in Advance, no right online, thinking that you're going to fix your car and it's going to be right or safe. I do agree with a small part of that. If you can't afford the repairs and maintenance, you shouldn't have a car. BMW, prime example out there. Prime example. Almost every BMW that we see that comes in here, almost every BMW can't afford to fix it or take care of it, but they have it, so they can flex your bank account with an affordable car. So let me have at this, because this is a complete mess. I'm gonna wind up the remainder of the studs off because I already have my work cut out for me. For watching.